If you're looking for a fresh, astounding Android headset, 10 to 1 that LG's next-gen flagship will catch your eye at once. The name of this freshman is LG G3. It's a highly promising thing. This is one of the gadgets you want to be first to tell about. Luckily, we made this G3 review soon after its world premiere, so let's get started. Here it comes! LG G3 was recently presented to the world. The launch events took place in 6 key cities worldwide simultaneously. London, New York, San Francisco, Seoul, Singapore, and Istanbul were first to see LG's new flagship device. It looks pretty transformed as compared to its highly praised forerunner. The changes are both external and internal, including software. Some innovations have been implemented based on general customers' feedback. Let's see how LG's learning from you philosophy is working. The number 3 of the LG G3's name, as the producer has it, has brought some kind of magic into Gadget's life. Well, it's quite possible, at least it helps to enumerate the innovations. All new and improved features are divided into 3 categories, each category having 3 subcategories. So, here comes the first category, a display. And here we have a real revolution. G3's so-called Quad HD display with its 2560 by 1440 pixels res is much better than Full HD, one currently being a minimum standard for any proper flagship smartphone. Don't believe those telling the human eye is not able to see the difference. It is surely able. Zooming in on a picture will show a noticeable difference between Full HD and Quad HD. 538 ppi are doing a good job. Sharpness improvement did not, however, cause an extreme screen enlargement. The display is 5.5 inches. The smartphone itself did not generally grow in size because first, LG had reduced its pixel size almost by half, and that, keeping within the technological features of the original IPS matrix. Second, the producer offers a more efficient use of the front panel space. Its 76% belong to the screen now. We are slipping to the second set of the improvements. Now we are focusing on the design. The best way to see the changes clearly is to compare G3 to G2. So what are we waiting for? As you can see, these 2 models vary notably. The strip above the display was changed, but not that much, as the bottom one haven't got a new perfect outline. Anchor's bed radius was also modified. The designers promised this change will make the device grippier. And now, I'd willingly talk about the G3's back. It became removable, likewise the battery underneath it. The back features the same original LG design as the G2. I mean, it has the same control buttons set on. They are here, right in the center. No need to improve something being perfect. That said, the buttons themselves have been somewhat reshaped. A power button gets rounded and less protruding, while volume buttons acquire rounded edges and become a little more sunken for even better feel. The new texture of the buttons is pretty attractive. It matches smartphone's matte metallic skin well. Well, once we've already got this far, let's move on to the third set of groundbreaking features. Camera functions. I hope it wouldn't be too rude to say that first LG's handsets had poor cameras. The next step was, look, it's not that bad. And now, LG has G3 with highly able to meet competition camera. Having regard to its rear camera's 13 megapixel, it's quite a standard camera. But we wonder what is indeed and not a name. Did you pay attention to a new feature placed to the left on the lens? It's a laser providing extremely fast focusing. And what is more, it enables user to choose any object in a picture to focus on. One can do it with a simple touch. It's fantastic! With the innovative laser autofocus, which is really fast, and the proven optical image stabilization or OIS function, a user will forget about making blurry pictures. G3 supports shooting high-quality pictures even while running. Only if you don't move faster than a laser, I suppose. On the lens's right, there is a dual-tone LED flash. I should say that the G2 featured not this cool flash. The next talking point is a front camera, this favorite feature of I cannot live without taking selfies users. Look what makes the G3 so selfie-friendly. You hold your hand out and make a fist. Your clever smartphone will recognize the gesture and start a 3-second countdown. Well done! Here is our cute selfie. No screen tapping. The last thing about the camera to be told is that it's meant for UHD video shooting, so you will have a plenty of video to watch on your ultra-large screen TV, enjoying both what you see and what you hear. The G3's camera will surprise you with the high-quality sound it manages to record. 3 significant innovations of G3 are not a secret for you anymore. Meanwhile, one more trio, being an essential feature of LG's Android interface, is waiting to be reviewed. Naturally, the interface has been updated to a great extent. Besides visual elements updating, we see several great functional improvements, like Smart Keyboard, providing faster input with less mistakes through a special adaptive technology. Smart Notice will offer you a helpful advice or a timely reminder just like your careful mom. The suggestions and recommendations regard users' behavior and handset usage patterns as well as location and other things. Another improvement is an updated unlock system. It enables you to unlock your device using a personal pattern of taps. It's a new level of security. All I can do now is to say sorry that the review time is limited and I cannot tell you about every small feature in detail. Believe me, it's definitely a cool gadget featuring plenty of exciting functions, and we won't be surprised to see LG G3 being the craze of the coming season.